In this video, I'll show you how to reset the picture settings of your LG Smart TV. You need to open the settings. On this particular one, the settings button is located on the top right corner over here. You need to tap it once. If your remote control does not have any settings buttons, sometimes it's located right over here in the middle. It's a cogwheel. You need to press the home button and then go over here and you're gonna see settings. So up there, the second option is a cogwheel. Press on it and you're gonna have these settings appearing on the left side. Now you need to go down and select all settings. Should be one of the last option. Once you select this, you're gonna have more settings appearing, and under picture, you're gonna press the right side arrow, go down, select advanced settings, go down and select reset. Select yes and press the middle button. Wait a few seconds and all your picture settings will be resetted. All your apps will still be there, everything. You see, if I go back on the home menu, everything is absolutely the same. It's just the picture settings that have been deleted, and now the picture settings are factory default, the same way they were when you unboxed the TV and it was brand new. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.